Hey and welcome to Daily GA4 Tips, where I'm giving GA4 tips daily. Today I want to show you how to build your own custom report in GA4 in seconds. Be sure to watch till the end because there's a freebie that I want you to have at the end as well. Alright, let's dive into GA4. Let's go into the regular reports and let's open up the traffic acquisition report. It's under lifecycle acquisition and then traffic acquisition. This would be probably my desert island report if I had just one report, but there are times where you just want to customize this report a little bit. And one thing that I like to do here is I like to change the primary channel group to source medium. This gives me a little bit more detail in what exactly my traffic sources are. And then one clever trick that you can do to make this into your own custom report is to press this button over here. It says export this report to analysis. And if I press this button, it will take this report and create our own custom report based on that. So I can make my own traffic source report. I'm going to give it a name in the top left corner. And I can customize the report to whatever I want, because by default there are a couple of metrics here that I don't really use. So we can go through this metric list right here under values and then, for instance, remove some of the things that we don't use. So for instance, engaged sessions, I don't use this. Engaged sessions per user, events per session, engagement rate, I don't like that, I prefer bounce rate. So I'm going to remove that. Event count, key events, I want to keep that because that's the conversions, and the session key event rate, I want to keep that as well because that's the conversion rate of my site. We could add bounce rate, for instance, here by going under metrics and then press this plus icon, press bounce rate, import it, and then we can add it by dragging it to the values section of this table. And this is how you can create your own custom traffic source report in GA4. If you look under the tabs here, it will also import the timeline and the bar chart. You can even remove these if you don't like them. So delete, delete, and then just, for instance, keep the table. So traffic sources. And this is how you can create your own custom report in GA4 in seconds. Alright, before we close the video, I want to give you something else. There is a cheat sheet that I created that talks about how to grow your website traffic. And it's basically 15 years of my experience in web analytics and creating websites and growing website traffic condensed in a short document. So if you're interested in that, just go ahead into the video description. There's a link over there where you can grab that cheat sheet for free. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.